Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. So we have been discussing basics of SQL and we have learned so many functions, operators, how to create table in SQL, and today we will discuss one very important problem where we have to find the second highest salary from a table. So we have created a table. This is the table that we have created with name employees, in which there are three columns: employee ID, employee name, and salary. And then we have inserted the values. This is how we have inserted the values. And on selecting all columns from this table, this is the table that we are getting. So to solve any problem, not only in SQL, there can be many ways. And similarly, to find the second highest salary, so each employee has certain salary, and I'm just interested to find the second highest salary. So we will see this. So we will discuss basically five solutions or five methods using which we can find the second highest salary. And first method that we will discuss is using subquery with max function and less than operator. So first I will write a query, and then line by line I will try to explain you that how we are getting the second highest salary. So max function, you know that it gives the maximum value. So first we will find the maximum salary from table employees. So this is the table, this is the query that first I have written, and if you execute this query you will get 60,000, which is the highest salary in this employees table. But we are not interested to find the highest salary, we are interested to find the second highest salary. So as I mentioned in the subject line, using subquery with maximum and less than operator. So basically we will use max operator again. Select max salary from, or we can give alias as well, as we can say, since I want in my final result set second highest salary from employees. Now the query that I have written first, I will make this a part of condition, where clause. I will say where salary is this, less than this. So what basically what I am doing, first I have find the maximum salary from this particular table, which is 60,000, and then again I made this a subquery. Now what I am saying, select maximum salary, I have given an alias so that in the final result set I get the name of the column as second highest salary from employees where salary is less than this. So I am saying first जो हमारी ये कंडीशन है, जो सैलरी है वो इससे कम होनी चाहिए, बेसिकली 60,000 से कम होनी चाहिए. एंड अगर मैं 60,000 से लेस वाली सैलरी का में से मैक्स सैलरी निकालता हूँ, सो दैट विल बी माई सेकंड हाईएस्ट सैलरी. सो इफ आई एग्जीक्यूट दिस क्वेरी, you will see I am getting 55,000, which is the second highest salary. And this is very simple query that I have written. There are multiple ways that we are going to discuss right now. Same query we can execute with the help of not in operator as well as. So now we will discuss not in operator. So this is the query that we have written, and now I will say, so just I am just changing here not in. So instead of writing salary should be less than, I am saying not in. This means the salary should not be in the max salary. Select select max salary as second highest salary. This is same from employees where salary not in. I am saying जो यहाँ पे मैं क्वेरी लिख रहा हूँ सेलेक्ट मैक्स सैलरी सेकंड हाईएस्ट सैलरी, यहाँ पे जो मेरी सैलरी है that should not be in this value. So of course if I discard that particular value, I will get second highest salary, because now as well as I am interested to find the max salary, and here I have already excluded it, so I will get the second highest salary. So if I execute this query, this is the same output that we will be getting. Now we will try to solve this problem with the help of offset and fetch clauses. So before we write the query, I will try to explain what's the meaning of offset and fetch clauses. So offset and fetch clause, they are used in conjunction with select and order by clause to provide a means to retrieve a range of records. The offset argument is used to identify the starting point to return rows from a result set. Basically, it excludes the first set of records. There are two important points that we should note here. Offset can only be used with order by clause. It cannot be used on its own. Offset value must be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative, else return error will come. So what offset is doing basically? So offset means shifting. And if I'm saying offset a table by one row, I'm saying to basically move the starting point by one row. Now my focus area will be from second row instead of first row. So since we are interested to find the second highest salary, offset argument is very useful. We will basically move our starting point to second row. So this is how we can find the second highest salary, and this is the syntax. Select column name from table name, then you can give where condition as well as, then order by the column name. And this is very important, and you can say mandatory as well as we have just see. Then you will write offset and rows to skip, then you will write rows. So this is the syntax, very simple syntax. Now fetch argument. The fetch argument is used to return a set of number of rows. Fetch can't be used itself, it is used in conjunction with offset. And if we see the syntax, this is the syntax. Select column name from table name, order by is mandatory with offset, order by column name, offset, rows to skip, fetch, and next number of rows, and rows only. So this is part of syntax only. So by offset, I'm just shifting the starting point. I'm not saying I will still get all the rows thereafter. But if I use fetch, I'm basically limiting the my result set, that how many rows I want after that offset. So this is basically the fetch argument, and there are some important points that we should note here. Offset clause is mandatory with fetch. We can never use order by fetch. So this is very important to note here, that if we are using fetch, offset clause is mandatory to use. Top cannot be combined with offset and fetch. The offset fetch row count expression can only be any arithmetic constant or parameter expression which will return an integer value. Order by is mandatory to be used with offset and fetch clause. Offset value must be greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be negative, else you will get return error. So now first I will write the query where I will basically use offset and fetch. So first I am writing the query. Select, so I can write distinct because I want distinct salary, and I will give alias, same alias that I am giving in above two queries, as well as second highest salary, and then I need to mention the table name from which I want this, from employees. Then I just said order by is mandatory, so we will do order by salary in descending order. So if I am using order by, that basically arranges all the salaries in particular order, and I'm saying to arrange the salary in descending order. So this is very easy to understand, that if we want to find certain uh, rows, or basically highest or second highest or third highest, then we need to basically first arrange those that particular column in a particular order, be it ascending or descending. So first we are ordering that salary column by descending order. Then I will offset it, offset one row. So if I just execute this query, you will see I'm getting all the queries, all the salaries which are starting after that salary, basically 60,000, which is the highest salary. But I only want this salary, 55,000. So I will do fetch. I will use fetch function. Fetch next one row only. And if you execute this query, you will get 55,000, which is the second highest salary. So this is a very different query than first two queries that we have written, because here we are using offset and fetch clauses, which we have not discussed in our video, but here we have discussed just to understand this particular problem. Now we will use top function to find the second highest salary. So we can also we also have limit clauses, but in Microsoft SQL limit is not supported. Instead we use top function. So first I will write the query like this. So I am saying select distinct top 2 salary from employees, and order by. I will do order by, because only then I can find that salary, because salaries are in the input table we have salaries in random order, we don't have any order ascending or descending. So this is very essential to use. And I'm giving the table one name, just say second highest salary. So although it is giving me two salaries, but I am just giving the name second highest salary. So if you execute this query, you will get top two distinct salaries, 60,000 and 55,000. Now I am interested to find the second highest salary. So what I am going to do, I have first find these two records. Now I will do I will arrange this. I will do order by in ascending order. So 55,000 will come and first, and 60,000 will come second. And then from that particular data, I will say I need top one salary. So I will get 55,000, which will be my second highest salary, and which was the desired output that we want. So select top one salary, and as I will write again this, which is the alias that I'm giving. And now I'm using from. So this is the subquery, and now I want from this. And now, as I mentioned, we will do order by salary ASC, ascending. And if we execute this query, there is some syntax error that is coming. From employees, top one. So if you execute this query, you will get the second highest salary, which is 55,000. So this is how we have solved the query using top clause. So for basically what we have done here, we have first find the top two salaries and order them in descending order because we are interested to find the second highest. So if I am doing order by descending and using top two, I am getting uh, first highest salary and second highest salary. Now I am doing order by in ascending order. If I'm doing ascending order, then second highest salary will come first and highest salary will come second. And in these two records, I am saying I give me top one salary. So the final output will be the second highest salary. So this is another way with which we have tried to find the second highest salary. Now one last way that we will discuss here. So this is using common table expression and rank function. So common table expression is nothing, it's just a way to write our queries in a clean way. It's very simple. So I will write the query first so that it's easy for you to understand. So first I am just writing a query where I will give rank to all the salary. I'm saying select salary and rank function. So this is the syntax and this will be used like this way only. Order by salary in descending, and I will give this as salary rank. So this is the query that I have written from employees. So if I execute this query, I will get all the ranks. So if I'm using rank function gives same rank to same value. So for 55,000 in both there are two 55,000, so it has given only two to both the values. Now I will make this a temporary table, and this temporary table is known as CTE. So this is the syntax I use with, and I can give any name to this table, any name. I'm saying ranked salary because basically this is having ranks. So I have given the name with ranked salary. So with is a part of syntax, and I have given the name ranked salary to this temporary table. Now I will find select distinct salary from this table, and the name of this table is ranked salaries, where salary rank equals 2, because I am interested to find the second highest salary, and since there are two values I have used distinct salary. So if you execute this query, you will get a salary as 55,000. Now I can give name as well, as because this is second highest salary, as second highest salary. So now if you see, you will get in the final result set second highest salary as the name of column. So with this problem we have also seen how what is CTE. So in case I have written this, I will also write this query with the without using CTE. So this will be my query. This will be the same query. So we are basically writing the name of the table here. Select distinct salary as second highest salary from ranked salaries, where salary rank is 2. So instead of making that a temporary table, we can use this query here as well as like this. I will get same output here as well as. So this will be, and I am giving its name A. So if I execute this query, the output will remain same, 55,000. So CT is nothing, it's simply a way to write our SQL query in a simple or neat way. So this was all about how we can find the second highest salary. We can also find second highest salary using joins. So although we have not discussed joins, so we are not discussing that solution here. But in case you are interested to know how we can find second highest salary using joins, you can try on your own, and then you can share your answer in the comment section. And in case you get any doubt, feel free to ask that. We will try to clarify your all the queries. So with this, we conclude our discussion for today. Thank you.